Welcome back, friend. How are you? Hope you are doing well. So, in this video, I'm gonna tell you about POP3. POP means POP, Post Office Protocol. Okay, version 3. This protocol is used to read the message from server to client machine. Okay, suppose you want to download or read the message. Okay, the emails from server. Okay, then we need to use POP3 protocols. Like if you want to send an email, as I have already made some video on that, and you know already. If you watched my earlier video, then SMTP, I have told you about SMTP. Okay, simple mail transfer protocol. So here I'm gonna tell you POP3 protocols. Okay, like this. POP3, Post Office Protocol version 3. Okay, so uh, let's just have a look. Then I will tell you. So this is the email address. This is the email on server. Okay, on Google server side. This is client actually. This is another client where I can see some email. Okay, that is stored on the server side of Google. Okay, so you can see here one email, the latest email that is received from quick review, and subject is high. So let me run this program and see the output. So I'm gonna run this program. In this application, I'm just in this program, I'm just reading the subject only and number of emails available on server side, and subjects. Okay, and the from where we have received the emails. Okay, and right now I'm just focusing on the latest mail. So here we get the output that email number is 8, means totally there are 8 emails and we are at email number 8. Okay, subject is high, and it received from quick review. Okay, someone is there quick review, they have sent us email, but in this program I am not reading the message, what message they have sent to us, or what is there any attachment or not. So that we will discuss later. So let me show you some one live example. Like suppose this is the email from we are uh, reading the emails. Okay, so this is the another email, and I'm going to send one email to this test that we are actually reading. Okay, so we need to find it email. What is the email address? Sorry, what is the email address actually? So this email address is this one. Okay, let me send another email and try to read. Okay, control V, and subject, suppose we write some name. Okay, some popular name, like like popular name is Ram here. Okay, and in Middle East you can say Ali. Ali is very popular, and John is very popular in Western world. John. Okay, John. Message you can text, you can write anything. Because right now I'm not reading the text. My focus is to read subject, because in next program I will tell you how to give command to your system. Okay, and your application going to execute your command, and you will able to make a very intelligent program that looks like a ransomware. Okay, sometimes people called it virus. So let me send this message, and we have sent the message, and you can see in Google client also that let me refresh it, and yes, we have received this email. Okay, and this is the email address where I'm reading. using our Java application. So let me rerun this program and check whether we have got that email or not. Okay, so you can see here total number of emails is right now 9, and we are actually reading the latest one. And you can see here subject Ram, Ali and John. Okay, and we have received this email from this email ID. Okay, so let's look at the program. I have practically, shown you like how it's gonna work. And let me show you the programming. Okay, so this is the Java Receive program. The name of this project is Java Receive. You can easily create new project and give some name and location where you want to save. And interestingly, I have already mentioned and I already told you in my previous video that you need to watch that from very first video first, second, then only you will understand uh, that we need to include activation.jar and javamail.jar files. These are the jar files that we need to include it in the library, otherwise it's not going to work. Okay, when you include these library, then only you can import these headers. Okay, these header files in package Java Receive. Okay, so these are the headers that we have included. I'm just you just see it. I'm just reading in Java util dot properties Java x dot mail dot folder, Java x dot mail dot message, Java x mail dot message, messaging exception, Java x dot mail dot no such provider exception. Okay, Java x mail dot session, Java x mail dot store. Okay, so you must need to include this folder. Okay, now see here, this is our class. This is our public class that we when we create new project we get this class. And in this class we have made one I have made one function that is a prototype. Okay, we need to pass some argument here because there are so many variable I have assigned here, and whenever we call this message this method which name is check, we need to uh, provide some value. Okay, so that these variable, these string type variable get some values. Okay, so just start with try so that you can catch some error if any. Okay, and set properties like I have already mentioned in video first that you need to set the property. In property you need to host, and you need to get from host, and the port number. Okay, 995 the port number, and this is mm this is the status is enabled. Okay, start the session, and store the emails from reading. Okay, from POP3 post office protocol version 3. Okay, whenever you connect with server, you need to send some value like host and user and password. And password means uh, from where you gonna read the emails. Okay, so as I told you that we are reading the emails from this text Java mail. Okay, email. So we are reading the email, so you need to give these value, and username and password we have assigned here below. Okay, you can see here. So just write it, just take it a screenshot properly so that you can first write this and run this, and then only you can modify these things because this is very limited, but you can add something. I will tell you, I will give you some homework too. Okay, Email folder is gonna read from inbox. Right now I'm using inbox. Okay, so this is the message length. We are counting here message length. Okay, and here's the output. Okay, this is a total number of message and subject and from. So I am just reading only three things. So your homework is, suppose we want to read text also. Okay, like what is the text available in that message. Okay, so this is your homework task. Okay, get the text also, then close the store and close the cache. So many cache is there because so many type of exception may arises. So there are different caches there. Now your main function, public static void main. Okay, now your main function, and in this you have defined the host, username, password, and mail store, and these value you need to and call the check function. Okay, check method. This check going to call the method with this value. Okay, at, and it gonna assign here. Okay, like host and store type, username and password. Username and password is necessary because this application going to log in. Okay, uh, log in this using this service pop.gmail.com, like I told you that smtp.gmail.com. Using that, it log in the Gmail server for sending an email, and but for reading an email it use pop.gmail.com. You can change it, okay, based on the server provider, service provider of email, like it may be yahoo.com, like that. Okay, but I have working but I'm working on Gmail only. Okay, and so that's why I have written here Gmail, but it may be yahoo.com also. Okay, and this is the authentication is compulsory because your Java application will visit to this service. They need to log in. Okay, from where they wanna read message. So it's going to read message from this location. Okay, and Ladrama is the password, so don't try to log in this email. Okay, you need to change, you need to use your own email and password. This is my, and because after this release of video on public forum, I'm gonna change it. Okay, so don't try this, but just for understanding I'm telling you that from her you want to read, you need to mention here. Okay, so test java mail is the id from where we are reading these emails. Okay, so this is the end of this program. Hope you have properly noted down, and your homework tasks I have given that you need to add something here so that you can get subject also, you can get message also. Okay, and if you want to do more thing, you can add attachment also, means you can read attachment also. That may be uh, that gonna to be a difficult one, but at least you can try. Okay, so guys, in next video I will tell you some very important things that I have mentioned, a program like ransomware. Okay, where we will give some command to from email we can shut down our machine just by sending email. Okay, so thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Okay, and see you guys soon. Take care of your and your family.